Bonjour and welcome to this new video. This video will be the first one of several that will constitute a small tutorial where we will make a coffee table from scratch strictly with GDL. This coffee table will be this one that you can see here. And this small tutorial will be split in 8 videos, including this current introduction. And each videos will focus on a couple of GDL concepts, so we can go step by step in creating our table. This tutorial is for ArchiCAD users, so people who already know how to use the software, but with no knowledge in GDL. So it's really for GDL beginners. However, I will assume that you already know a bit of programming, or at least some of the most basic concepts like what is a variable or a comment or a method, as I won't be explaining those, otherwise the tutorial will be too long. I will try to make the videos maximum 15 minutes, so we can really go straight to the point, and so that the tutorial doesn't go for hours and hours. This also will not be an in-depth tutorial, as we will stay quite high level when it comes to GDL, but I will still try to explain everything as much as possible. So what we need for this tutorial, well, first obviously we will need an ArchiCAD software, obviously, and we will also use from the ArchiCAD help menu documentation, the GDL reference guide, which is basically the extensive documentation of the GDL programming language, and this will really be your best companion on this GDL journey. I still use it. It's really is a goldmine for GDL knowledge, obviously. So really you will need to read it, and it's 700 pages if you really want to be proficient in GDL. What we will be able to do with this, well, we will be able to do this coffee table here. This table will have a 3D and 2D representation here. I will be able to dynamically resize the object that way, or simply select some of the specific value that I have already listed in the object. This will be able to be done in 2D and obviously in 3D as well, for the length and width, but also for the height of the top panel and of the bottom panel as well. The object here will have a custom parameter list, in which I will be also able to change some of the dimension of the legs or of the panel. I will have some specific 2D and 3D attributes, and I will also be able to change the different material of the leg here, and also of the panel here. As well, we will have some information in the description as well. Here we will also, last but not least, make a quick and nice render, so we can have a really nice preview when we are in our library manager. So that is all for this video. In the next video, we will set up the object in order to be able to create it from good foundations. See you on the next one.